A reliable cutting board is essential for every kitchen. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing meat, or prepping fruit, the right board makes cooking safer and easier. In this guide, we've rounded up the best cutting boards for everyday use, balancing durability, style, and budget to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Number 1. Best overall plastic board, OXO Good Grips Cutting Board. Durable, dishwasher-safe plastic board with non-slip edges and reversible design for safe chopping. Juice groove catches liquids to prevent mess. Why we like it? This plastic cutting board from OXO is incredibly durable, dishwasher-safe, and features non-slip edges that keep it steady during heavy chopping. Its reversible design allows you to separate raw meat from veggies, promoting food safety. The board's juice groove is perfect for catching liquids, preventing messes on your countertop. Why we didn't like it? Some users may find it prone to knife marks over time, but it doesn't compromise functionality. It's slightly heavier than some other plastic boards, which might be less convenient for storage. Features: material, high-quality BPA-free plastic. Reversible sides with juice groove. Non-slip edges. Dishwasher safe. Number 2. Best large wooden board, John Boo's Maple Cutting Board. Thick, elegant maple board that's gentle on knives. Large size perfect for meal prep, natural resistance to odors and bacteria. Why we like it? This premium maple cutting board is perfect for those who love traditional wooden boards. It's extra thick, durable, and gentle on knives. Ideal for a large meal prep, it combines elegance with practicality. The natural wood absorbs less odor and is easier on your knives than plastic alternatives. Why we didn't like it? Wood requires regular oiling to maintain its quality, and it's not dishwasher safe. It's heavier and more expensive than typical boards, which may not suit every budget. Features: material, hard maple wood. Large size for extensive prep. Knife-friendly surface. Easy to clean with soap and water. Naturally resistant to bacteria. Number 3. Best flexible board, Gorilla Grip Flexible Cutting Board. Lightweight, color-coded flexible boards for easy ingredient transfer. Ideal for preventing cross-contamination and small kitchen storage. Why we like it? Flexible boards make transferring chopped ingredients effortless, and Gorilla Grip delivers exactly that. They're lightweight, color-coded for different foods, and super easy to store. Perfect for small kitchens, these boards prevent cross-contamination and make cleanup simple. Why we didn't like it? Flexible boards are thinner, so heavy chopping can feel less stable. Over time, they may curl slightly if not stored flat. Features: material, food-grade plastic. Color-coded sets. Flexible for easy transfer. Lightweight and compact. Dishwasher safe. Number 4. Best budget-friendly, Totally Bamboo Cutting Board. Affordable, eco-friendly bamboo board that resists knife scarring. Lightweight and portable, easy to clean with soap and water. Why we like it? This affordable bamboo cutting board is eco-friendly and durable. Bamboo naturally resists knife scarring and bacteria, offering a safe surface for all types of food prep. It's lightweight and easy to clean with warm water and mild soap. Why we didn't like it? Not suitable for the dishwasher and requires occasional oiling. Its size is limited compared to larger boards, which might be inconvenient for extensive meal prep. Features: material, 100% bamboo. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Knife-friendly surface. Lightweight and portable. Affordable price. Number 5. Best wooden board, Teak's Edge Grain Wooden Cutting Board. Premium teak wood board with edge grain design. Durable, elegant, and knife-friendly, great for chopping and serving. Why we like it? A premium choice for wooden board enthusiasts, this Teak's board combines durability, style, and functionality. The edge grain design reduces knife wear and resists warping. It's perfect for everyday chopping and looks great for serving cheese or charcuterie. Why we didn't like it? Requires maintenance with mineral oil and isn't dishwasher safe. It's heavier than other options and a bit pricey, but the quality justifies the cost. Features. Material, teak hardwood. Edge grain design. Knife friendly. Elegant for presentation. Long-lasting durability. A quality cutting board makes meal prep safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Whether you prefer plastic, bamboo, or wood, these top picks offer the best in durability, style, and convenience. Investing in the right board ensures your kitchen stays efficient and hygienic while adding a touch of elegance to your daily cooking routine.